Hi, I'm SM Rasel, a talented freelancer from Bangladesh. I specialize in various areas, including WordPress and Shopify website development, e-commerce website lead generation, email marketing in Mailchimp, and virtual assistants. Throughout my career, I have completed over 100 successful projects for clients worldwide. Are you looking for a high-quality design for your Mailchimp email template or newsletter? Let me help you make the most of your Mailchimp experience with top-notch service. Template and newsletter design. Sign-up and pop-up form design. Landing page design. WooCommerce automation. Campaign design and run. Autoresponder campaign setup. If you are still confused, please contact me without hesitation. Visit my website www.rasel.com. Let me be your partner in success. Thank you and have a good day.